Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the horror version of Grey. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off at the top and let's draw a circle for the shape of the head. Next, let's hop inside and let's draw two large circles for the eyes. Next, let's hop inside and let's draw a curve up near the top. And then color the top sections in black. Now let's hop into the bottom sections and let's draw a circle near the top. And then another circle inside each of these. And lastly, for the eyes, let's draw a curve on top for the eyebrows. Next, let's hop down and let's draw a line across for the mouth. And then 3 small black dots on each cheek. And that's it for the face. Now let's hop to the top and let's draw an angled line up and out on both sides. And then angle it back in underneath. Now let's hop to the bottom and let's draw 2 long angles down for the body. And a line across at the bottom to close it off. And that's it for Grey. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!